Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to Nagaland Foodie yet, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then select all option so that you don't miss out notification on our new videos.
Hi foodies, Esther here. I hope everyone is keeping fine. Today, unlike our other chutney recipes, we will be making a Naga style chutney, but then that will be without using any fermented ingredients like dry fish and Akhuni. Because of lockdown, it is hard to find all our favorite ingredients in the market, but still we can make a very tasty chutney by using only 3 ingredients, that is onion, tomato and chili. Here I'm going to use king chili as I have it, but instead you can use any other regular chilies that are available in your kitchen. And yeah, if you want your chutney to have a strong flavor, then you can add some ginger and garlic and coriander leaves also if you have it, otherwise it's not necessary. And of course some salt to taste. So let's first go ahead and quickly roast the tomato and the chili. So come along. Now keeping the gas in a medium flame, let's cut the tomato into 2 pieces and let's roast it. I'm going to roast the ginger also. If you want the garlic to be roasted, then you can also roast it, but I want the strong flavor of garlic, fresh garlic, so I'm not going to roast that. And I'll also be roasting the king chili. Here it goes. Let's not over roast the chilies. I think this will be okay. Now let's check the tomato. In the meantime, let us roughly chop the onion. So this is done. Let us chop the coriander leaves also. This is done. Now let's go back and check our tomato. Let's check the tomato now. I think this will be okay. This is done. Now let's turn off the flame. Now let's start pounding the chili by adding a little salt. Here it goes, and start pounding it. Wow, it smells so good. I love the smell of king chili. Next, add the garlic. Whenever you make chutney, make sure that you pound the hard ones first.
using 5 to 6 cloves of garlic here. Next is ginger. Let's peel off the ginger a little bit. Cut it into 2 pieces and start pounding it. Next, let's add the tomato. Make sure you peel off the burnt part and add it this way. Here it goes. Tasty chutney without dry fish. And here we are done. So like I said, you can make this chutney with only 3 ingredients. So you can just, if you don't use the ingredients that I use, like the ginger and garlic, you can just pound the chili and the tomato like this. And after that, you can just add the onions. And lastly, let's add the coriander leaves.
And here it is, my favorite quick and simple Naga chutney that is without using any fermented ingredients, and I'm sure you will like this chutney. So stay tuned for more videos.